Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration announced an immediate update to food labeling guidelines to clarify the meaning of no artificial color. Under the new rules, foods colored with natural sources such as beet or watermelon juice will no longer be considered artificially dyed, while products containing synthetic petroleum-based dyes will not qualify for the label. FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty McCary said the change aims to give consumers clearer, more trustworthy information and reduce consumption of artificially colored foods. The policy aligns with a broader federal push to discourage artificial dyes, which some studies have linked to hyperactivity in children and other health concerns. In other developments, an experimental pill called Enlicitide significantly lowered bad LDL cholesterol in people who remain at high risk of heart attacks despite taking statins, according to a large new study. In a trial of more than 2,900 high-risk patients, adding a daily Enlicitide pill to standard treatment reduced LDL levels by up to 60% over 6 months, with benefits largely maintained after a year. Safety outcomes were similar to placebo, though the pill must be taken on an empty stomach. Enlicitide works like injectable PCSK9 inhibitors, which are effective but underused due to cost and inconvenience. While results suggest cholesterol lowering comparable to injections, researchers caution that it's not yet proven that the pill reduces heart attacks or deaths. A larger outcomes trial is ongoing as Merck seeks FDA approval. A heartbreaking news. At least 3 people were killed and 6 others injured after a car crashed into a 99 ranch market in the Westwood area of Los Angeles on Wednesday night, according to the Los Angeles Fire Department. Authorities are investigating the incident as accidental. LAPD Captain Anthony Espinoza said the driver, a woman in her 70s, appears to have struck a bicyclist and then unintentionally lost control of her Toyota Prius, which continued into the grocery store. The driver is being evaluated by medical professionals and is cooperating with police. Of the 6 injured, 2 suffered serious or critical injuries, 2 had minor to moderate injuries, and 2 declined hospital transport. Some victims were reportedly trapped under the vehicle inside the store. The bicyclist sustained minor injuries and was released from the hospital. In other developments, Pizza Hut plans to close about 250 underperforming U.S. restaurants in the first half of this year as parent company Yum Brands weighs strategic options, including a possible sale of the chain. Yum said Pizza Hut has struggled domestically with outdated locations and rising competition, with U.S. same-store sales falling 5% last year. By contrast, rival Domino's reported a 2.7% increase in U.S. same-store sales during the first 9 months of the year. International performance has been stronger for Pizza Hut, with same-store sales rising 1%, driven by growth in Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America. China remains its second-largest market outside the U.S. Yum expects to complete its review of Pizza Hut's future this year.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.